Hey guys, Nolan with MarineMax here, showing you a trade we just got in here. It's a GS24. It is a 2018 with the trailer, board racks, bimini top, NSS plates here. You got the NCRS down there, surf pipe, swim platform, NSS on this side. Got the seats here in the back. Climb on board here, check out the interior. Just come through. You do have a C-deck walk space all the way through, which is nice. You got supplemental ballast in this boat as well. Throw down a really nice surf wave, as well as this boat does have ski mode as well, so you can take ballast out, pull in the NSS, and get a really nice flat ski wake. JL audio sound system. Interior is really clean, sharp colors, real kind of a classic look here. Glove box, you got this JL audio head unit. I've got some phone holder. Got the Link touch screen there. You've got the driver control station, bow seating, C-deck up on the bow as well. You got the mirror, rear view mirror. You've got some different setups for rear facing seating. Backrest here as well. So really clean, nice used Nautique. Come out to Rogers MarineMax, check it out.